danas igramo Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Kao što vidite, sad ćemo da... Oh my god, ne znam što ne čujem. Znači idemo odmah u Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Ja sam tada snimam Case Animatronics, ste vidjeli na igricu koju sam bila tu. Ali... Ali kad sam ja ušla, nije, znači, mnogo mislim, bio dobar video. Ali, čekaj, oh my god, ne spoilujte ništa mi. Ali je malo štekalo zato što je bilo na ultra, pa ću snimiti onda posle. Ok, idemo prva noć. Grand reopening. Let's get in life, ok. Kako će mi da vidimo, nemam pojma. Kako će vi ljudi da vidite uopšte. Ok. Mogu da izeditujem. Kontam. Malo se iskušam. Evo ih viterovanje animacije. Ko me gleda su vidi? Ne znam. Ja balumbo mrzim ga, nikad ga niko nije volao. Njihovo srce se umira. Što? On ima na gome WC, ko malo. Oni mora prve noći kad će da se šetaju po moću. Ok, sad će neko bolje bude nešto. Od kad Bonnie ima ovakva džinovska stopa. Neko mrno ljudi. Ok. To je baš. Meni su face skim opet, evo ga. Ja nešto ne vidim što se dešava. Pa što zanima što se nazva njihovo usta? A da, animatroniki, ali... Animatronici. Gledam ih u oči onak. I prizvanka. Dođi. A vidite ovo to? A se vidi bolje ovaj medved. Pogledajte se, vidite ovog medveda tu. Što stoji, evo to. Pa jeste kad ugasiš svetlo, vidi se. Kad upališ... Čuvarim za uvek. Sad ću pogledati. Sad je mango. Gabalombo nikoga nikad nije vala. Vidite to? Evo ga, biće mi sada muzikicu. Mislim da se oni čuju kad se medaju. Ne zastoji. Mislim ako ga ne gledate, on neće se mrda izgleda. Volio bi to da ovaj Afton, ne Afton je ubica. Da dođe ovaj, ne kako se zove editor ove igrice baš je. Scott Chanton, da, Scott, da doda da se oni mrdaju ponekad. Da vide kao mrda im se ruka ili oče, da trepne ili... Ok, evo. Tu je. ne mrzim je. Vodi se. Ništa ja sam Freddy. Laže mi. Čekaj. Čekaj ću malo. Će bani bježati, sad će toj bani. Mnogo treba za taj čiku da se... To je to. Evo na to. Ban je. Zašto ban je? Nisam da će me pokole. Mislim da su. Mislim da je to čika bila. Da, opkolen sam. Pa vi se izmiješ. Još je tu čika. Spar. Čekaj, nisam napravila. A tu Freddy ostao. Zapravo ima zvuci bane. The fuck? Oh my god, zgličalo se, ovo smiješno. Ali ja ne, oh my god, ovo meni je jumpscare otoga. Ali ja nisam znao, nisu dadali zvukove. A ste čuli kad je Bonnie bio prolazio, ste čuli? Ako se čuje zvuk. Ne znam, možda je čika mršava, a Bonnie debela, a oboje izgledaju debela. Vintage pizzeria. Ma vintage kurac. Šalim se. Ne, zašto sam se... Šalim se, brala. Zašto mi uzim ovaj sat to? Mislim da mi to pokazuje. Ne znam. Glupo malo što sam ovoga pokazuje mi. Mislim da je to samo loading screen. Ok, ja ću slušam sad.
Summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location, you know. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics.
Давай много
Facial recognition,
Ты кажешь.
advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots thinking he was an endoskeleton without his costume on and wanting to stuff you into the suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually, anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have lights, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Mogła mnie na wiele. Pozostanę na miejscu tej grupy. Czekaj, daj Chica, daj Chikica. Albo Chikica, okej. Chikica, Pikica. Smash. Chikica, Pikica tam. Oni čuju kad radim. Neko tu. Za malo dumanovat, mislim da to Freddy. Chikica, Pikica. Ako imamo samo 10 sekundi. Sad Freddy tamo. To je jako pametno i pametno. Čuo sam ga. Čikice, pikice, možda sam to. Samo ovako da gledamo u oči. Što mi gledaš? Line 2. Pikica. Давай не даємо мало. Chikica, Pikica, много опасно знать. Маска? Могу это тоже молчу, или молчу. Chikica, Pikica, svi su tu sad. Čuo. Jimmy, ne možeš se pojasniti, znači da je neko tu. Da je Freddy, Chica, Bonnie. Čujete vi kako sam čuo? Čujem nekog. Neko se penja, neko prelazi. Gledamo tačno u Fredlju. Hoće da je maska upaljena celu noć. Ne, maska, zakočila je. Ok, zakočila je zato sam pobedila. Će bude sad teče teže ljudi. Druga noć. Završit ćemo sad drugu noć. Pokušam pobedim jako umam. Ovdje mi počinje da se malo da ga bavim domicom. To je loš.
You're a natural. By now I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room.
Sad će oni.
Those are from the previous location, and we just use them for parts now. The idea at first was to repair them. They even started retrofitting them with some of the newer technology, but they were just so ugly, you know, and the smell. So the company decided to just go in a whole new direction and make them super kid-friendly. Those older ones shouldn't be able to walk around, but if they do, the whole Freddy head trick should work on them too, so whatever. I love those old characters. Did you ever see Foxy the Pirate? Oh wait, Foxy. Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey listen, that one was always a bit twitchy. I'm not sure if the Freddy head trick will work on Foxy. If for some reason he activates during the night, and you see him standing at the far end of the hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright light. It would cause a system restart or something. Come to think of it, you might want to try that on any room where something undesirable might be. It might hold him in place for a few seconds. That glitch might carry it over to the newer models too. One more thing, don't forget the music box. I'll be honest, I never liked that puppet thing. It's always thinking, and it can go anywhere. I don't think the Freddy mask will fool us, so just don't forget the music box.
Zašto je levo stane?
I'm sure it won't be a problem. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Ti se ne medeško. Čekajte sekunde, Foxy. Nešto. Ono samo. To? Gdje se to baca? Čekaj, gdje mali balon boy? Balon boy. Ne znam gdje se baca. Ako to Foxy se lofta sve. Naš. Znači radio je trik. Uva ga balon boy. Nisam kada, ne znam da možda jumpscare. Balon boy, ali banje nešto. Evo čeka. Čeka pika. Čekaj. Moš! Mislim da radi, evo. čemu gledamo njih? Jo, ne. Eto se. Skupim maske, uzmem masku, tako. Znači, mnogo sam bio blizu dvorana sad. Tu je. Ja ne. Čekaj, kao, uzmem masku. Maš tamo, Foxy. Tu je, bet. Bežimo. Dakle, ovo je mnogo teško se radi. Freddy dolazi. Bježi, Freddy, be. Jedna čikica, ona mi je valjda problem veliki. Si mesku? To je čika. Bojim se čike. Ona je treba više vremena. Sve čisto sam misliti. Mnogo teško ova noć. Beži. Uđi masku brzo. To je... Neće sklone. Pobjeć. Ok, ljudi, tu je to od klipa. Ako, znači, sada smo 2 noći za 22 minuta. To je bilo mnogo napeto, mnogo teško. Ako želite još, bacite like, polomite ga odmah, subscribe-ujte se i